Did you know that the average national EMS response time is 6 to 9 minutes? It's pretty quick, right? The problem is, some medical emergencies can be fatal within 3 to 6 minutes. Severe bleeding can become fatal in 3 to 5 minutes, and if someone is having airway complications, those can cause hypoxic brain death in as little as 6 minutes. That 6 to 9 minutes EMS response time is seeming a little too long now, isn't it? In emergency situations, every second counts, especially during those crucial first few minutes. That's why it's important to have tools readily available so anyone can help keep victims alive until trained responders arrive. That's exactly what the Zoll Mobilize Compact Trauma Kit was designed to do. Give people the real-time instructions, guidance, and equipment they need to help save lives in emergency situations. Trauma Kit is Stop the Bleed approved. Stop the Bleed is widely recognised as the standard for bleeding control, with established requirements representing best practices. The lightweight Mobilize Compact Trauma Kit includes a set of medical supplies to help users manage life-threatening issues like severe bleeding, seizures, choking, hypothermia, broken bones, allergic reactions, and more. The kit comes with the Mobilize Rescue app. The app guides users through multiple traumatic scenarios they may encounter. It's perfect for distributing to everyone in your organisation. The Mobilize Compact Trauma Kit empowers bystanders to respond confidently during an emergency. It is ideal for the workplace or on the go. Remember, trauma is the most common cause of death for those under the age of 40 in England. And the National Audit Office estimates that 20,000 major trauma cases happen in the UK each year, with 5,400 deaths. So the faster medical assistance is provided, even from a bystander, the better the outcome and possibility to help save a life. The Mobilize Compact Trauma Kit can provide bystanders with the equipment and guidance they need to help save lives. For more information or to connect with a representative, scan the QR code on the screen or visit zoll.com.